Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, viewers and subscribers, I see a topic out there on social media that is, talking about Koffee, and, talking about if she prefer, male or female. Basically they are talking about the girl's sex life. That's what I'm saying to you. And I'm here to clear up a few things. You see me? Because, persons are talking about Koffee's life based on one picture. But I have a few things I'm going to show you, my viewers and subscribers, that might give you a better understanding and a more open mind towards things, and it will prove a thing out there that some of the time some persons out there on social media just love to, you get what I'm saying to you? Yes. For some time I've been sitting here and I'm saying to myself, say somebody are gonna make up news upon this girl, because this girl had been just doing this thing so easy, so calm, and without any form of, controversy certain ways. You get what I'm saying to you? So I say, I just have a feeling, say something like this I got arrive, right? It's like I'm saying, how long before them do this? Because for some reason, anytime somebody do something that is dominating in life, especially in entertainment, some form of thing always bring up. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, the picture when we see them show with Koffee hugging up a girl, and then that picture has been used in somewhat of an accusation about her sex life or whatsoever. So what I'm saying to you, it's not the first Mr. Koffee hug up someone like that. You see me? And I'm not going to try and elaborate too much about that, but it's not the first. You have to understand, Koffee is a short person. She's short, right? Missy where she hug up the Prime Minister of Jamaica, right? And I'm talking about the Prime Minister who is known as Mr. Andrew Holness. And Missy where she hug up even Usain Bolt. You see me? Right? And there might be other persons out there that she hug up the same way, which is whether celebrity or fans. You see me? She's a short person. Like, you expect her to hug up somebody as a short person. So she's like, me just say for example 5 feet, because I don't know her height, right? So me just give you examples of 5 feet. How can somebody 5 feet hug up somebody that is 6'2" or even what longer than wants to be? And you expect a 5 feet person's hand to go around the shoulder of a person that is 6 foot odd? Like, really? You see me? Like, come on, man. Think. When we see the picture on social media, me hear them things you talk about it, me I say, Giano, like really, like what some persons are thinking, like really. You see me? I mean, Koffee is a Grammy award winning, artist in Jamaica, right? And so young, right? This person, which is Koffee, this female, might not even have no form of relationship on her mind. You see me? It's not everybody have these kind of thinking where they are thinking like, oh, you know what, I'm going to get involved with someone because I need to settle down on this. Some persons out there have different priorities in life, viewers and subscribers. You see me? It doesn't matter if you hug up the female a certain way. It could be a fan. You see me? And you have to understand that, some persons show love deeper than some people. You see me? Now, even if she decides to go the other way, I don't care. It is her business. Me no business with nobody. You see what I'm saying to you? Then me notice them start to talk about her way of dressing on social media. It's like they're talking about how she dress. You see me? In the kind of clothes that is considered to be like manly clothes. That is some of the comments and some of the things that has been said on social media. And I'm looking at it and I'm saying this because once me hear them start talk about how Koffee dress and the clothes, not really look like how female for dress and all kind of things, me start put certain things to my head. You see me? And this is where me start think now. You see me? When it comes down to entertainment, for some reasons, I have a feeling that the most things a lot of persons out there like to see female entertainers in is things that are revealing, things that are printing out things that are tight. Yeah? Well, viewers and subscribers, let me say this. Not every female out there feels comfortable in those kind of wears. You see what I say? You have a lot of females out there just love to be in either sweatpants and a track shoes and it not fit tight. You see me? Them love if you can feel a certain freedom. I mean, you know, viewers and subscribers, I mean, like, what is it that a lot of persons out there don't get? You see me? I see someone that is a Rastafarian. When me hear about Koffee, no viewers and subscribers, me hear about Koffee. You see me? And me hear about Chronics, right? And you know, say Chronics, you know, inspired with Protege and you know, other persons, you know, which in these persons, the name of these persons we just mentioned, you see me, are persons who wear locks and considered to be Rastafarians. That's what I'm saying to you. So when me see Koffee, me look upon her like a Rasta, you see me? So persons out there are watch and I wonder if she wear this or she now wear that and them thing that you're lucky she never put on a dashiki with some long African skirt and some bead in her hair and all these things. You're lucky you never see that. You see me? Everybody have them right to them own choice in life. You get what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? I mean, you see Rastafarian religion is a very serious religion out there in the viewers and subscribers. And you see when we see a person from them put on them locks, which you know, not everyone out there with have locks is a Rastafarian, but at the same time, you see once me see somebody have them locks on, me now go try to cross certain boundaries because I don't know how serious them take the Rastafarian thing. You see what I'm saying to you? So if you bring certain things pan Koffee and talk certain things, you know, and you don't know what is our true intentions, you know, me not find that thing right. Me not see them things the right. You see me? A lot of persons out there are give her the respect, the ratings and the props, you see me? And a lot of persons out there, because me look on social media now, me see the comments and the videos that has been done and people talk about, you know, Koffee and, you know, the whole thing where persons are circulating on social media and them things, you see me? And when me check it out, I'm not talking just persons where just directly go out there and talk on them on social media. I'm talking about celebrities along with, you know, with fans. You know, a lot of people together say, look, Koffee, you know, we know business where you be. Whether you be A, R, Z, R, B, them still a supporter. You see what I say? So much things out there to talk about, yo, and so much things out there we need to focus on, you see me? Like some bad things, you see me? People are hurt people, you see me? Pitney are missing, you see me? Man are, you know, hurt them woman and all them things, you see me? And commit suicide, that them things you have to focus on. There's lots of persons out there that gone the other way, that is doing some evilous things and yet still people still support them. So I don't see why, you know, with her, which is not a criminal and not doing any form of bullyism and disrespecting people, for people to be, you know, trying to put down this female. I mean, come on. This young lady had represented Jamaica and Jamaican music in such a positive way, right? In such a good way. And for persons out there, you know, to be saying certain things about her, you see me, in my point of view, I don't think it is right. You see what I'm saying to you? Well, if you're going to say something, at least get the facts. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and that is my whole take on this whole thing, you see me? So Koffee, big up yourself, you see what I'm saying to you? And whatsoever you do is your business, you know? I like your music and, you know, I respect you as a person. You get what I'm saying to you? But when it comes down to your personal life, you see me? I don't think that is something that I should really and truly be judging you by it. It is your choice. We'll leave all judgment to thy Father, which is God. Alright? Yeah. I am just here. I'm just a normal person and I just respect your music. So big up yourself, your Koffee. If it's your business to do what you want to do. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. And a rob you, a rob, and a kill you, a kill, and a steal you, a steal. I don't business with you. Alright, so big up and respect. Alright? And for those who want to see something negative out of all of this that Koffee is doing, I'm not trying to be disrespectful to anyone. You see me? But, you know, let the girls strive. Let her lift and become the greatness that she can become. You see me? Me see all pictures out there where them take all the girls image of her face and put it on a body in a bikini and all these things. I mean, what's wrong with some persons out there? You see me? Like, really, like, you know, what's going on? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think, yeah? And this is my point of view about the whole thing like that, alright? And like I'm saying, this is just my point of view. I'm not disrespecting anyone. I'm just letting persons know that, yo, let someone live as to their liking. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, there's worse persons out there doing worse things and, you know, no one is saying anything about it. So yeah, you know, the thing what we should be focusing on is the crime and violence in Jamaica and the crime and violence throughout the world and the whole injustice of the systems and all these things. Those are the things we should be really and truly more focused on. You understand? Yeah. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself, yeah. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.